Let's see about Arduino Environment Monitor. This is a software that is designed to collect data from Arduino and displays surrounding parameters like temperature, humidity, air pressure, light intensity, then air quality, and it also shows the sound power in decibels. Let me see how to do it. This is the schematic diagram of Arduino Environment Monitor. Just solder this circuit in a general purpose PCB. I have soldered the circuit in a general purpose PCB. Let's install the components. Arduino Nano, the humidity sensor, temperature sensor, air pressure sensor, LDR, air quality sensor, sound sensor, now I have installed all the sensors. You have to give 5 volt external DC power to this connector for the working of air quality sensor and the sound sensor. I have connected the external DC 5 volt to the circuit. Now the air quality sensor and the sound sensor are working on 5 volt DC power. Let's connect the USB to the Arduino. Connect the other end of the cable to your computer. Now the Arduino is connected with computer. To use the environment monitor circuit, you need to download a software. I have given the download link in the description. Just copy the link and paste it in the browser URL. Right click on the file, click on download. Now the software is downloading. The software has been downloaded successfully. Here the environment monitor software is downloaded. Open the software. Install the software. Click on next. Then click on next. Then click on next. Now the software is installing on your computer. The software installation has been finished. Click on close. At your desktop, if you see the software has been installed successfully, just open the software. On the Arduino code, select the format and click on save button. If you see the file has been saved in my documents, go to my documents. You will see a folder called env data. Open the folder, then open the code folder. If you open the code folder, there will be an Arduino code inside the code folder. Just double click on the Arduino code. As we already connected the Arduino to our computer, go to tools, select the Arduino port. If you see Arduino is connected on COM3 port, so select the COM3 port, then select the board as Arduino Nano, then click on upload button. Now my Arduino code is compiling. As you see, now the code is successfully uploaded to the Arduino. Now close this and open the environment monitor. Click on the connect button. It will search for Arduino. Now the Arduino hardware has been connected successfully. If you see, it's showing the temperature in Celsius as well as in Fahrenheit, and it's showing the humidity level in the air. Then it also shows air pressure, and it also shows the light intensity. It also shows the air quality. It is fresh air, and it also shows the surrounding sound power in dB. And if you see this panel, sensor voltages, it shows the voltage level of each sensor connected to your Arduino. Then if you come to hardware, it shows the status as Arduino connected, and in which port Arduino is connected, COM3 port, and the speed of it shows the speed of your serial monitor. It's 9600 baud rate speed, and bandwidth size is 816 bits per second. It changes depending on the serial monitor data. Then timeout is infinite. Then go to record panel, and you can export these data into a PDF by using the record panel. Give the name of your record. I am giving as my room data, and count. I am giving it as 10, and time interval is I am giving 1 second. Then I am clicking on save button. I am choosing desktop, and I am giving file name as demo. Then click on save button. Now data exporting is in process. Wait for until it completes. Now the data has been exported successfully, and this you can find the details of the file that is exported here. Okay, let's check out the exported file. I am opening the demo PDF file. If you see, my title is given as my room data, and the date is today's date, and total number of record that is generated is 10, and the serial number, then at what timing the reading has been taken, it shows here, and the temperature data, humidity data, air pressure data, light intensity data, air quality data, and sound dB power also generated as a report in PDF format. If you want to export it again, just click on reset, then fill the record details. I am giving it as my data. Now I am giving count as 5 and time interval as 1 seconds. Then again save, click on the save button, select your destination, give the file name. I am giving it as demo1, then click on save. Now the file has been exported successfully. Let's check it again. I am clicking on demo1. If you see again, my data is generated as a PDF format. You can take the printout of this document as well. Click on Serial tab. You can see the data that is transmitted over serial port of your computer, and the details of data that is shared over serial monitor is given here. Then click on the next tab, that is circuit diagram. This is the schematic diagram of environment monitor. Then click on about tab. This is about the software. This software has been developed by Radiance Technology YouTube channel, and this has been developed by a author called as Rajkumar. Then to disconnect this, you need to click on disconnect button and you can close the software. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.